Have the first one closed. Have the first one closed already. Have the first one closed already. Have that seat closed already, Aidan. Close down the seat. Close down the seat.
Oh, you're gonna
No, because you're gonna slam them closed. Close down the seat. Right now, and don't have that ready. Don't slam it closed because you don't want to break it before you even start. Like, late.
No, you have to slam it.
Aidan, you won't have to slam it. You won't.
Don't do it, bye. Don't do it.
Leave it. Just
Don't do it.
Aidan, close it gently. Close that gently. Close it. Oh no! Oh, I can't believe that just happened! Down and go, look at it! Oh, shit! Shit! Every other control is in! Oh my god! I knew that was gonna happen.